Guys, welcome to my channel. This is about the 6 gallon that I purchased a couple 2 weeks ago. I've been using it, and my intention was to use it for the time being so I can get something faster, bigger. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys why am I returning it. I don't know if I'm returning it or not, but it's not doing whatever I want it to do. Guys, whatever I do on this channel, it's my own risk. I don't ask you guys to do the same thing. I take a lot of risks. I have seen fires, so be careful what you do. Don't claim that because I do it, you can do it. I've seen a lot of fires, guys. I'm posting a video in a few minutes. I saw fires. Oh man, this thing was, I was shaking on my leg. Anyway, this thing has no fire. It's very easy. So this machine is supposed to work like this says. The machine says underneath of the sink. Okay, let me show you what I saw on eBay, on Amazon. Guys, I purchased this thing on Amazon. This is the price of it. Let me shut the light off. That's the price of it on Amazon, $26. Okay, this is what it says, mini tank. I think there's something says underneath of your sink. This thing cannot fit mini tank water either under the sink. You see what the thing says? Trust me. I'm going to show you the size of it. I'm going to take a bucket next to it. I'm going to show you this thing cannot fit underneath of the sink, guys. Now I have to replace it. Let me show you why. I'm going to show you why. Okay, I want this thing to run the whole house. This thing cannot. I wanted to run it partially, but it cannot do that either. So let me go show you how I heat up this thing. Let me show you where the thing is. It's going to make a lot of noise downstairs, okay, guys? I'm going to show you the thing downstairs hooked up. I have a video on that also. I may put the link on the description there. And also, I'm going to show you what the performance of this thing. Okay, guys, so let me show you the machine downstairs first because there's a lot of noise upstairs. This is the machine there. This is a big size of it. Let me bring a bucket next to it. It's a 5-gallon bucket I'm going to bring next to it, guys. Okay, guys, this is the size of it. You see, let me show you. This is pretty big size. I think this is 5 gallon. Look at the 5 gallon, guys, next to it. Now I'll show you the size of it. The size is pretty big. Okay, I plug it in on an extension and an extension cord to heat up this thing here. Okay, but I will do another extension. But this thing is too small, cannot produce the water that I need. Okay. I use the Plex. There's a video on that. Go check it out, guys. This is a pretty nice device. Okay, now I'm gonna heat up the water down upstairs. See, this is not on. I'm gonna turn this water and then come back downstairs since the machine is turned on. Guys, I turned the hot water. Now I'm gonna go downstairs to see if the hot water turned on. I'm gonna go quick. Okay, guys, this doesn't turn on. I turned the hot water. Let me turn on the flash. You see the turn on. See, it doesn't turn on. So more likely it's gonna take. I want to see the light turn on. That's why I'm letting it in. So another word is take too long for the turn on. Yeah, I have power because that cord is belong to the basement. If the light is on, that's when I have power there. It takes too long to turn on. So whatever the hot water was there, this is gonna go. When I go upstairs, I'm gonna turn the hot water off, and also I'm gonna take the temperature. Yeah, my gun is working today. Okay, it's turned on. It's turned on. You see, guys, I turn this thing on. Now let's look at the temperature. It'll take a while. 108. I'm gonna keep it on the temperature, guys. You can see it. I'm gonna fill up the bucket. It's 5 gallon. Temperature is dropping. You see that, guys? Temperature is dropping. That's the problem. The machine is on, the temperature is dropping. You see, 105. It was 107 not too long ago. You see, 104, guys. The temperature is dropping. You get some Jameson. Okay, guys, look at the temperature, okay? Now the water is running. Tell another them, I'm a video. This thing is running Yeah, for being, I don't know. Guys, you see the temperature of the water is dropping. Temperature is dropping tremendously. So I don't need to check the sink or the stuff. Now you can see it, guys. In less than 5 minutes, I ran out of hot water. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to turn it off for 5 minutes. Come back, I have hot water. You see the temperature is dropping. It never stops. It will get so cold, so it's not worth having it. Now the machine is too small. This is not, can't even work on the sink. So that's why you guys need to subscribe for my channel if you're watching this video. Now if you know you have a big house, you have a lot of people, you can't use that small little thing there. Look at it. You can't use that small thing there, guys. Okay, folks, this is under water. Okay, I just opened this thing. Then I put fresh water, guys. It was cold, the water was cold. Okay, I put fresh water. You see the temperature is rising, guys? The temperature is rising. Let's see if it rises enough. That's after 5 minutes. No, it doesn't rise. I gotta shut it down. I gotta find out how long it takes to rise up, guys. Guys, I went downstairs to check out the machine. It's still on. Okay, let's go back upstairs to check it. It's about 5 minutes to go to. Okay, folks, here we are again. Let me turn the light on. This is the temperature. So this thing stay on for at least 5 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. Okay, that's the temperature. Now let's see how far the temperature rise. It's rising. No, we don't have to try other places. You can try on the sink. That's what I'm trying because you see how the temperature is rising, guys. Then you're gonna see smoke, but it doesn't heat up as fast. That's the problem. That's why we don't have water. It doesn't heat up as fast because this is about 120 volt. It's using 120, not 220, 240. So now it's dropping. You see, it's dropping, guys. We're gonna drop to 95, and then we're gonna stop this video. You see, 95, guys. It's dropping fast. It does drop fast, so we have a little problem here. This is why I'm telling you this. For the purpose that I purchased it, I wanted hot water, guys. The water is nice. It's okay. You see, the water is fine. It's hot enough to do whatever you want to do. But if you only do dishes, this is good enough for dishes. Okay, the machine is running. Okay, so this is from the sink. The temperature is not that bad. Okay, but to take a shower, you need hot water, so it's a problem. Okay. The sink, probably. Technically, guys, I wanted to take shower with it, so right now, downstairs shower, it's just a little bit about 95, but it doesn't last too long. It stopped. Okay, it takes it a while to heat up again. That's the problem. So therefore, I will not. If you want this thing for only a sink, it will work. Okay. If you wanted to take showers too or a bathtub, this is not good for you. 6 gallons is not hot enough. It doesn't produce the water hot enough. This is 110 volt. If it was more than that, then we can think different. For the time being, well, I'm going to order another one. I'm going to get the 10 gallons. See how well would I do with the 10 gallon.